What's going on YouTube? Chris here. Want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now we're sitting at $8,727. And what you can see, the volatility has been very low recently. And what we're doing, we're waiting for that next move. And I believe right now being patient is the number one thing. Just really sitting back and watching what Bitcoin's going to do, because we're in a sticky area right now. We have a lot of bullish things going for us, and we have also some bearish things going for us. And what I wanted you guys to watch today, some of the main areas, I want to pay attention to the Fibonacci and also this green trend line. So if we took our Fibonacci from our swing low all the way up to our swing high, what you can see is we've been defending this 0.5 Fibonacci level, and that's at $8,480. We need to see that level hold, and the reason for that is the confluence that we're having between that 0.5 holding and also this green trend line right here. So those are our two support areas that we don't want to start dropping down below. If we do start dropping down below that, the next area I would like to see us hold is that 0.618, which is still a common area for Bitcoin. We have very deep pumps and very deep retracements in this space, and we have to be aware of that. But it would be a bad sign if we started to break down through this trend line. This trend line's been intact for quite a while now, and if you start having a trend line break out of that and daily candle closes below it, then anything can happen. So I want you to be aware of that. But we're having this squeezing effect now of holding support at that 0.5 at $8,480 in this green trend line, and also the overhead resistance that we're dealing with in terms of this 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame is what we're looking at right now. And we also had that death cross down through that 200 on the 4-hour time frame, and that's what really pushed us hard to the downside. If you can see here, we dropped on heavier volume as well. So we have to break up through that 50 and start having candle closes up above that. So if we can get up above the 50, that's at 8,781. We need to turn that into support. It's acting as overhead resistance right now. We need to stay up above it, and also that 0.382 at 8,971. We need to get up above that area right here. As you can see, if we can get above that area, then we would have a shot to come up here and try to back test that 200 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, which is at 9,532. And in my opinion, that's the best scenario that could happen out of this right now, because we're just in that sticky spot. It's really going to be a fierce move when it happens, guys, and you need to prepare for it. So in terms of alarms, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a downside alert at 8,472. I'd suggest you guys do that as well. And the reason why I do that is because, say you're doing anything, you can get that alert, and then you can go onto your phone and you can make your trades. You can do whatever you need to do. And then to the upside here, we're going to go right at that 0.382. That's going to be at 8,974. So we're going to have an upside alert if we start breaking up through there, and we're going to also have a downside alert. I think that's going to be important. But what I also find important is that we need to make this next move on significant volume. So say we're to make a nice break to the upside, it needs to be accompanied by volume, or most likely it's going to be a fake out. So just be aware for that. Volume a lot of times will confirm things, and that's really important to understand. And also, guys, if you get something from these videos, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like I said, I'm a no-nonsense guy. I just really want to get this out here the best that I can for you, so you can make your decisions off it. I want to show you the upside, I want to show you the downside, and the things that you really need to put on your chart and pay attention to, because they can greatly help you in this trading game that we're in. Next, I wanted to go into our relative strength. And what you're seeing is a bit of a bullish divergence. So you can see the price was going down here, but our RSI is going up. And you can see we're getting really tight here, almost like a little symmetrical triangle. So we're just waiting to see if we're going to have that nice break to the upside or the downside. The RSI is at 47.55 right now, so we're just floating more neutral, and I believe whichever way the volume comes in, that's going to be the direction we're going to go for quite a while now, guys. And that's just what I wanted to bring to you today. This is just a quick little Bitcoin update. I got to get moving, but I want to bring this to you. If you get some from this, guys, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and just really put these alerts on your charts. Watch that green trend line for daily candle closes below it. You'd look for 3 to 5% penetration, or also that break to the upside there through that 0.382 at 8,971. That's what I'm keeping my eye on. So just wanted to share that with you guys. God bless. Take care.